Hey guys, it's Tiffany, and today we're going to unbox the Disney Frozen 2 Advent Calendar. This is from the Disney Store. It was $59.95 in store, which is a pretty penny. And honestly, for 26 pieces, I'm sure some days are going to be filler like cardboard pieces. I'm not sure if this is going to be the best bang for your buck. This is why I'm unboxing the entire box right now. So I actually got this on sale. This is why I purchased it. Otherwise, I wouldn't normally spend $60 on an advent calendar. So let's 26 pieces. Automatically off the bat, you're gonna see the 2 additional pieces. We have little Anna and little Elsa, and then you have to unbox 24 additional pieces. Let's hope that the 24 additional pieces are actual items. Okay, let's see. We have all of the days already laid out. Those are little windows, and then we have her Anna's bed, we have Elsa's bed, this like all these little pieces that you're gonna pop out. So it's looking good so far. It looks like these are just pop out pieces, and the stuff inside might actually be actual physical real items, not just like plastic chintzy filler days. So let's get it open. Day 1. So if you don't want any spoilers, just stop at day 1. Day 1 is a cute little blanket that you're gonna use for the bed. This is cute. Day 2, which is my birthday, December 2nd. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Okay, I'm okay with this. So far, so good. We have a little outfit for Anna, and it's sparkly. This is super duper cute. And then we have little shoes. Okay, I'm happy so far. Let's look at day 3. Oh my gosh, cuteness overload with this little pillow. Super cute. Honestly, advent calendars when I was little were just like chocolates. We didn't have prizes like this. Oh my gosh, day 4 is Olaf. This is so cute. So you can mix him up. No, you can't. I thought you could. That would have been awesome that you could do that just like in part 1. I didn't see part 2 yet. Did you see part 2? Oh my gosh, I can't stop listening to that soundtrack. Into the Unknown and Show Yourself are like my favorite songs. They're like my ballads of the end of the year. So cool. This is like shimmery snowflakes all over him. Oh my gosh, he's so adorable. You could put stuff in his mouth too. Maybe you could put the pillow in there too. No, I'm just kidding. He's really cute, and he's very, very well made. Doesn't look like he's gonna fall apart like some Olafs that we've had. And his hair looks like it grew. Looks like his hair grew out. Need a haircut, Olaf. Yes, he does. Oh, not really. Okay, day 5. Day 5 is my hubby's birthday and Walt Disney's birthday. So happy birthday, Walt, and happy birthday to my hubs. And it looks like we have like a handkerchief or kerchief to go around their head. Cute. That was day 5. I don't know if this is a part of day 5. Okay, day 6. Where are you? You're all the way at the top, little tiny one. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh no. It looks like we have 2 little bow ties. That's cute. I wonder what that's for. Okay. Day 7. Where are you? Oh, how cute. We have the Arendelle symbol on the hairbrush. Very, very nice. Okay, day 8. And this will probably be for Elsa. It's like an ice. Now let's go to day 9. Oh, how cute. We have a jacket. Let's look for day 10 and make sense. Okay, now we're working on Elsa's outfit. So this is Elsa's blanket. Really, really nice quilt. Day 11 now. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have this little hand mirror. Really, really cute little mirror. I like that it has the Arendelle symbol, and it matches this mirror over here. Very adorable. So it's like we're not into the unknown, but we're in the girls' like bedroom, their childhood bedroom. Day 12. Oh my gosh, guys. This is adorable. This is a little miniature dollhouse of their home, of the castle. This is that grand staircase, the one that Anna had slid down the banister in part 1. Day 13. How adorable is this little doll? This is the little figure. It's probably Elsa's doll. She's sparkly and glittery all over. She's so cute. Maybe she goes in this little house. So cute. Okay, that was day 13. Day 14. Oh my gosh, God. This is just like the sweetest thing. It's a little book And inside is a picture of little Anna and little Elsa and their mom. Oh my gosh, so sweet. Day 15. Oh wow, and we have, it looks like a traditional like Nordic horse. It looks like it's like hand painted, like it looks like an old heirloom. Day 16, where are you? Oh my gosh, we have this little trunk. Does it open? It opens. This is so cute. I love it. I broke my nail. I literally broke my nail opening up this thing. We have this little chest over here. It looks like a hope chest or something that maybe you could even put like all of like the little accessories in here too. This is so adorable. Day 17. Okay, so day 17. Oh, we have a purple pillow now. Okay, they like a lot of pillows. Okay, day 18. Oh my gosh, this is Elsa's outfit. So adorable, little traditional outfit. And her little shoes just like Anna's. Where are we? Okay, we're almost done. Oh my goodness. Little teddy bear. I just love that we have their like toys. This is so cute. This is just adorable. We have Anna's little doll with little sparkly golden dress. Got little feet too. So stinking cute. Put her on the second floor. Oh, she fell. Okay, day 21. Oh my goodness, we have Anna's jacket. This is just adorable. These little girls dress so cute. Day 22, 2 ducks in a pond, day 22. Oh my goodness, this is something different. Okay, it looks like we have a vase of white flowers, and I'm sure they're like tulips or something. You know, that's from Holland, so I'm not sure if this has any significance in the film. And if there is anything and there's a spoiler, don't tell me. I will see the film soon. But we have a vase of flowers that don't stand up. Okay, day 23. Where are you? I don't see you. There we are. Right here. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just love this. We have a little candle. Oh, I just love these old style like candle holders with the little like ring over there so you're walking down the hallway. Really cute. Okay. Wait, that was like the second to last day. This is the last day, day 24. What's behind the door? Oh, how cute! We have a rocking horse. So now we could build Anna and Elsa's bedroom. And now let's get the figures out. Oh, look, it rocks. This is cute. Here is Anna. She is beautiful. Both of these dolls are gorgeous. Really, really beautifully well made. And they're nice and posable. Multiple points of articulation, so you can pose them, they can play, they can go down and play like on the floor. Super duper cute. Let's set up their whole room by breaking up the entire scene. It's perforated, so it's easy to come out. I just love that they're in their pajamas, and then we have a set of clothes for them to wear. And I just love that they included Olaf. So adorable. Am blown away by the quality of items that are in here, and I feel kind of bad for just having low expectations of it, but I've opened up so many advent calendars in my day that I just like have low expectations of everything, and then I just like to get surprised. So far I think this is a great addition to your Christmas countdown. And if you're looking for it, I would definitely look for a coupon if you can. You know, I know today's the first day of Advent, so I mean, you might be able to find it maybe a week from now. It's definitely worth it. It is so super cute. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're watching on IGTV, don't forget to give us some love and like this video and follow us. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Happy holidays, everybody.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ah.